It is absolutely very excellent, done timiously. I was very impressed with the quality and also the price mentioned as well. So I'm very impressed with the work that's been done today. We found the Boiler Shop website after going through various different firms, and yep, we're very happy with the feedback that you received. Everything's positive, you delivered what you say you're going to deliver. And yeah, so we chose yourselves to have our boiler replaced. So
and the guys, have they done a nice clean job for you?
Brilliant job, they've done a brilliant job today. Cleaned up fully after themselves, they've been very good.